Anand Agricultural University presents AAU at a glance. Anand Agricultural University plays an important role under the broad vision of Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Narendra Modi, and Vice Chancellor of AAU, Dr. A.M. Sheikh, for the development of agriculture in Gujarat state and nation as a whole.
Before the independence, the condition of the rural people and rural region was very bad. And when Gandhiji was moving for the Swaraj in the rural area, he sees that if India has to become and has to develop, it has to develop at the grassroots level from the rural region. And with this background, in 1937, the Institute of Agriculture was established, and the first course on Krushi and Gopalan was started in 1939. And after that, in 1947, in the March 2004, the another act, Gujarat Agricultural University Act 2004 was enacted, and this Anand campus became Anand Agricultural University.
In 1938, the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, initiated an Institute of Agriculture, not as merely an educational institution, but as a mission. Primarily, it was established to revitalize agriculture, following Mahatma Gandhiji's call for village regeneration. Dr. K. M. Munshi also played a significant role in a feeble manner for this noble cause. AAU is located in central Gujarat in the milk city Anand, 5 km away from railway station. The jurisdiction of AAU includes 6 districts, namely Ahmedabad, Anand, Kheda, Vadodara, Panchmahal and Dahod in the middle Gujarat climate zone. Vision of AAU is agriculturally prosperous Gujarat and India, and AAU's overall mission is to promote continuous process of development of sustainable growth and economic independence in rural society through education, research and extension education. Education. AAU imparts effective education in agriculture and allied fields through residential semester system of undergraduate and postgraduate degree program, awarding degrees in faculties namely agriculture, dairy science, veterinary science and animal husbandry, food processing technology and bioenergy, agricultural engineering, international agribusiness management and agricultural information technology. BA College of Agriculture, one of the oldest colleges of agriculture in the country, was established in 1947. It provides education and involves exposure to concepts, skill and knowledge in agriculture and related sciences. Recently, Agriculture College at Vaso and Horticulture College at Anand has been started in 2012. Shet MC College of Dairy Science was established in 1961 and caters the need of dairy sector by providing technocrats with a 4-year degree program of Bachelor of Technology in Dairy Technology. The College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry Anand was established in August 1964. It is playing key role in augmenting growth of livestock sector in the state by producing high-skilled technical manpower and conducting high-quality research to address problems of livestock sector. 4 years duration program leading to degree of BTech Agricultural Engineering is operated in College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology at Godhra. The College of Food Processing Technology and Bioenergy offers 4 years BTech degree in Food Processing Technology and Bioenergy. The college has been started from July 2009 with qualified faculties and well-equipped laboratories. College of Agricultural Information Technology has been started from academic year 2009, offering a 4 years BTech degree program. College of International Agribusiness Management started in July 2008, which offers 2 years MBA degree program. AAU also offers Polytechnic Diploma degree of 3-year duration in 4 disciplines: Agriculture at Anand and Vaso, Agricultural Engineering at Dahod, Horticulture at Vadodara, and Food Science and Home Economic at Anand, with an objective to impart practical training to develop skilled manpower. Recently, University has also started Distance Education Program Study Center in collaboration with IGNOU. More recently, one new program study center of IGNOU has been established at CEAT Godhra, offering diploma in watershed management, organic farming. The university also offers postgraduate degree programs leading to MSc or MTech and PhD in all the faculties through coursework and dissertation. AAU is implementing field-oriented innovative programs in various faculties. In agricultural faculty, practical crop production, RAWE, and experiential learning. In veterinary faculty, internship and training and tracking program. In dairy science faculty, state-of-art practical training at Vidya Dairy, and in other faculties, the project works are given. University organizes regularly the highest academic function, convocation, every year on Vasant Panchami. The students are conferred upon degrees and the top-ranking students are awarded with various medals. Directorate of Students' Welfare looks after students' amenities like hostels, playground, gymkhana, and other extracurricular activities, sports, cultural, literary, adventure, NCC, NSS, health, and various days celebration. In addition, it also assists in organizing convocation and deals with scholarships, fellowships for the students. Research. Prime objective of AAU is to enhance production and productivity of agricultural and related commodities through high standard research in agricultural and related sciences to uplift the socio-economic status of farming community of Gujarat state as well as nation. Research is being carried out in 22 research units on main campus and 23 research stations spread out of 6 districts of Middle Gujarat with total area of cultivable land of 788.33 hectares. After the establishment of AAU in 2004, University had developed more than 500 technologies and released some 43 new varieties like GAR13, GAR2 in rice, GAVCH1 in chili, GOB1 in brinjal, GT2 and 83 in tomato, MRGTH1 and ABT10 in tobacco, Gujarat Anand Marvel Grass GAMG2, Anand Commercial Layer, White Leghorn, genetic potential to produce more than 300 eggs annually. The university has also developed the embryo transfer technology. Besides, 109 state plan, 37 non-plan and 59 ICAR and other agencies' schemes are functional. The university has established new research units on the campus like Center of Excellence on Biotechnology, Medicinal and Aromatic Plants, Organic Farming, Animal Nutrition, Regional Research Stations, Center of Biofuels, Mega Seed Project, and Department of Seed Technology, Center of Nanotechnology and Business Planning Development Unit. All the above advanced research projects have been initiated to generate new technology for agricultural development. These projects have developed new machineries like continuous basundi making machine, batch type khoya making machine, continuous Shrikhand thermization machine, elevator harvester platform, Aeonla shredding cum stone extracting machine, Jatropha seed dehuller, biodiesel plant and Anubhav seed. Research work is going on with modern scientific instruments procured with large animal operation table and ultrasonography unit. University has an excellent development in infrastructural facilities like biodiesel plant and modern seed production unit. The process of variety registration and IPR in maize, Gujarat maize 2, 3, 4 and 6, rice, geographical index of Bhal wheat, probiotic culture, biofertilizers strains, tissue culture protocol for date palm, biodiesel plant and more than 64,212 accession numbers for buffalo genome were obtained for the gene sequences and submitted to the International Gene Bank. This is the first ever submission of sequence to the Gene Bank from Agricultural University of the state. For the growth of new research, University has signed many MOU on PPP mode with 12 national and international agencies. New landmark of university technology is liquid biofertilizer, which is commercialized by BPD, namely Business Planning and Development Unit under the NAIP project of ICAR. NABL accredited pesticide residues laboratory has been established to monitor residues of agrochemicals in all food commodities. Besides, the university has micronutrients research laboratory having ultra-modern instrumentation facilities for monitoring micronutrients and heavy metals in soil, water, and plant systems. The university has also advanced facilities on biocontrol for crop pests. The activities of agricultural engineering faculty does not remain confined to campus or labs only. Rather, they have a full-fledged experimental research farm located at Kankanpur, about 25 km away from the campus. The faculty has backed prominent and prestigious outsourced R&D projects specifically devised and executed for the people of tribal region. It includes RKVY projects on development of high-value fruit crops, namely cashew nut, sweet orange, custard apple, pomegranate, and grapes under the real field conditions. Extension Education. Directorate of Extension Education plans, coordinates, organizes, and guides various extension education programs of the university. It ensures efficient implementation of the extension education activities in close coordination with the development departments of the government, voluntary and private organizations. Moreover, it guides, supports, and encourages the extension education centers of the university in organizing different extension education activities for the benefit of the farming community. The Directorate organizes Zonal Research and Extension Advisory Committee meet representing development departments, centers of extension education to discuss adoption of agricultural technologies, feedback on research recommendations, transfer of technologies, and new recommendations. The university offers 9 certificate courses on baking technology, poultry rearing, gardening, food processing technology, organic farming, weed management, integrated pest management, seed production, and medicinal and aromatic plants. The Directorate of Extension Education runs various plan and non-plan schemes for the benefit of farmers, farm women, and rural youths. Recently, 2 schemes, namely Pashu Vignan Kendra at Limkheda and Dairy Vignan Kendra at Vejalpur, sanctioned by the Government of Gujarat in 12th 5-year plan for the first time in India, have been started. The Directorate guides and gives technical inputs to 6 Krishi Vigyan Kendras: Devataj, Dahod, Arnej, Detli, Mangal Bharti, and Vejalpur. Sardar Smruti Kendra SSK Anand, Tribal Training Center TTC Dahod, Tribal Research cum Training Center TRTC, and Tribal Women Training Center TWTC, Devgad Barya for farmers, farm women, and rural youths. The Directorate of Extension Education also provides effective advisory services through various centers like Farm Advisory Service Center, Agricultural Technology and Information Centers (ATIC), Transfer of Technology Centers (TOT), Centers for Communication Network (CCN), Publication Unit Anand, Agri Polyclinic Center APC at Dahod, and TOT Arnej. The important publications of the university include Krushi Govidya, a monthly farm magazine having about 25,000 subscribers, in addition to books and booklets on specific crops, technologies, folders, pamphlets, Varsha calendars, reports, diary, e-sahitya, etc., covering all aspects on region-specific crops for the farmers. The university also publishes AAU newsletter tri-monthly. Radio and TV talks are also arranged by the Directorate of Extension Education on various aspects of agricultural sciences. The university has a regional research center established under MOU with Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture CIFA, Bhubaneswar, to serve the extension, teaching and research needs of freshwater aquaculture in the state of Gujarat and adjoining states of Western region. The university coordinates a mega event like Krushi Mahotsav every year at different places of Middle Gujarat in association with the functionaries of state government and other organizations. It also organizes stall exhibition on various sectors like agriculture, animal husbandry, horticulture, forestry, fishery, farm equipments, etc. for the benefit of farming community. Extension Education Institute. Extension Education Institute, popularly known as EEI, is a regional training institute established for the western state of the India, which includes Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Goa and Dadra Nagar Haveli. Central facilities. AAU has vast infrastructure and network of central facilities like hostels, guest house,